This morning feels quiet. There's no rush, no noise asking for attention. Just a soft moment and a little space to breathe. Today, I want to share a gentle English word with you. A word for moments like this. The word is serene. Serene means calm and peaceful inside. Not excited, not busy, just steady and quiet in a comforting way. You might feel serene when you're sitting by a window, watching the lights slowly change, or when you're alone with a warm drink and nothing needs an answer right now. You can say, "The morning feels serene," or "She has a serene smile." Serene is a soft word. It doesn't try to impress. It simply names a quiet kind of peace. Thank you for sharing this calm moment with me. I'll see you again with another gentle word.